So if you want to, let me say in your free show, you already have a software, a file. So maybe somebody have already built it in the system, and you just want to copy it without starting afresh in your own system. So when you copy their whole folder, free show folder, because free show folder is located, the free show folder is located, the free show folder is located in the documents here. So if you copy this file from the person's laptop and now go over in your own laptop, you can just place it there too in your own laptop, so that when you close, and open the laptop next time, so when you close your software and put it in, so when you close your software and put the file and you open the software again, you found out that you now have the person's settings. You now have the person's free show settings at your own disposal without any need for building yours from the scratch. So you can even have every single file. First, you just copied and pasted every single thing. You can actually select individual files, but for risk of missing any important file from the other one, it's good to just do the general copying. You've just upgraded your production skill. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.